In recent years, the world has witnessed a remarkable rise in the popularity and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Among them, Bitcoin has emerged as the undisputed pioneer and a transformative force in the realm of digital money. With its decentralized nature, revolutionary technology, and growing acceptance, Bitcoin is poised to shape the future of finance and revolutionize the way we transact, invest, and store value. The rise of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was introduced in 2008 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since its inception, Bitcoin has experienced significant growth and has become the most recognized and widely accepted cryptocurrency worldwide. Its decentralized nature, built on blockchain technology, has proven to be a game-changer by removing the need for intermediaries and enabling secure peer-to-peer transactions. Advantages of Bitcoin. Decentralization. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority or government. This decentralization ensures that transactions are transparent, censorship-resistant, and independent of political influence. Security. Bitcoin transactions are secured using advanced cryptographic techniques, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit or manipulate the currency. Additionally, the use of blockchain technology ensures transparency and immutability of transaction records. Global accessibility. Bitcoin transcends geographical boundaries and is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This feature opens up new opportunities for financial inclusion, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional banking services. Lower transaction fees. Bitcoin transactions typically involve lower fees compared to traditional financial systems. This cost-effectiveness is especially beneficial for cross-border transactions, which are often expensive and time-consuming. Through Bitcoin as a store of value. Bitcoin's limited supply and decentralized nature have led many to consider it a potential store of value, akin to digital gold. Its scarcity is governed by a mathematical algorithm, ensuring that only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. This fixed supply, coupled with increasing demand, has historically contributed to its value appreciation over time. Bitcoin and financial freedom. Bitcoin has the potential to empower individuals by providing financial freedom and control over their own wealth. Traditional banking systems often impose restrictions on individuals' ability to transact or move money freely. With Bitcoin, individuals can conduct transactions without intermediaries. Allowing for greater autonomy and privacy, mainstream adoption and institutional support. Over the years, Bitcoin has gained acceptance from major companies, financial institutions, and even governments. Many renowned businesses, including Microsoft, PayPal, and Tesla, have integrated Bitcoin as a payment option, lending it credibility in mainstream recognition. Additionally, institutional investors and hedge funds have started diversifying their portfolios by investing in Bitcoin, further cementing its position as a legitimate asset class. Challenges and scalability. Bitcoin faces certain challenges, primarily related to scalability and energy consumption. As its popularity continues to grow, the network may encounter limitations in processing a high volume of transactions. However, developers are actively working on solutions, such as the Lightning Network, to address these concerns and enhance the scalability of Bitcoin. If at any point in this presentation, you're interested in finding out more about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, click the link in the description. Regulatory landscape. Regulation in the cryptocurrency space is still evolving. While some countries have embraced Bitcoin and enacted favorable regulations, others have been more cautious. The establishment of clear and balanced regulatory frameworks will play a crucial role in fostering the widespread adoption of Bitcoin while mitigating risks associated with fraud and money laundering. Innovations and beyond. Bitcoin's success has paved the way for further innovations in the cryptocurrency space. Inspired by Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, numerous altcoins and projects have emerged, each with its unique features and use cases. These developments have expanded the possibilities of decentralized finance, DeFi, smart contracts, and tokenization of assets, further revolutionizing the financial landscape. Environmental concerns and sustainability. One aspect that has drawn criticism regarding Bitcoin is its energy consumption. The process of mining, which secures the network and validates transactions, requires significant computational power and electricity. However, it's important to note that the Bitcoin network's energy consumption has sparked conversations around sustainable mining practices, renewable energy integration, and the exploration of alternative consensus mechanisms that are more energy efficient. The future outlook: the future of Bitcoin looks promising. As technology continues to evolve, scalability solutions are being developed to enhance transaction speed and efficiency. Additionally, advancements in privacy features and user experience are expected to further drive adoption. Bitcoin's potential as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties, coupled with its borderless nature, positions it as a formidable contender for the future of money. Risks and considerations: while Bitcoin offers numerous advantages, it is essential to recognize the risks associated with investing in using cryptocurrencies. Price volatility remains a significant factor, and individuals should exercise caution and make informed decisions. Additionally, the evolving regulatory landscape and potential security vulnerabilities highlight the importance of understanding the risks involved and adopting best practices for secure storage and usage of Bitcoin. As we move forward, it will be crucial to address challenges, embrace innovation, and work toward sustainable solutions that ensure the continued growth and adoption of Bitcoin as a transformative force in the world of finance and beyond. In conclusion, Bitcoin has proven itself to be more than just a digital currency. It has laid the foundation for a decentralized financial ecosystem, challenging traditional systems and empowering individuals with greater control over their finances. With its potential to reshape global economies, foster financial inclusion, and redefine trust and transparency, Bitcoin stands at the forefront of the digital revolution, poised to shape the future of money for generations to come. If you like this video and would like to get more information on Bitcoin and crypto trading, please click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.